Greetings everyone, I'm back to share more tips for enjoying sweetness in a healthy way. As we know, excessive sugar intake can negatively impact our bodies and overall well-being. However, sugars also allow us to experience wonderful flavors in both cooking and baking. So today, I want to highlight some fantastic natural alternatives that satisfy our cravings while providing nutritional benefits. Fruits are an obvious choice, as Mother Nature has ingeniously packed them with natural sugars alongside vitamins, minerals and fiber. Berries like strawberries and blueberries add just the right amount of sweetness to cereals, yogurt and smoothies. Diced mango or banana blended into desserts like puddings or ice creams creates creaminess without extra calories. Even in savory dishes, a touch of fig or date complements the flavors of vegetables, grains and proteins. The possibilities are endless. For those who prefer more concentrated sweeteners, agave nectar and honey are superb options. Unlike refined sugars, honey allows our bodies to metabolize its fructose and glucose at a steadier pace thanks to its lower glycemic index. I love drizzling raw honey over whole grain toast or using it to glaze roasted carrots and parsnips. As for agave, its milder flavor means you only need a spoonful instead of several to achieve the same level of sweetness. Both contain antioxidants too, so feel free to enjoy in moderation. Now let's discuss an even healthier alternative, stevia. Extracted from a plant in South America, it's about 300 times sweeter than sugar, but has virtually no impact on blood sugar levels or calorie content. I like to keep liquid stevia drops on hand for whenever a recipe calls for too much sugar. A few drops do the trick. Stevia is also handy for flavoring beverages like iced tea and lemonades. Overall, it's a fantastic substitute for those managing diabetes or weight. As for natural spices, cinnamon takes the cake, quite literally. Its sweet spicy aroma pairs beautifully with apples, pumpkin, oats and more. Just a half teaspoon enhances the flavor of baked goods without extra calories. Vanilla is another powerhouse, lending depth and creaminess. A few pods steeped in warm almond or oat milk create a deliciously sweet non-dairy beverage. And who can resist the zesty zing of lemon zest? Drying strips of the outermost peel in the sun unlocks its sweet citrus essence, perfect for cakes, tarts and brightening up grain salads. In closing, diversifying your sweetener selection based on specific health needs or recipes is key. Have fun experimenting with inventive combinations that satisfy your palate sensitively. Remember that nature offers plenty of astoundingly tasty whole food options, so feel confident making gradual lifestyle shifts towards natural alternatives. Your health and taste buds will certainly thank you for it. I hope these ideas spark new adventures in the kitchen. Enjoy!